Quick video here to show the neon bulb trick. I do lots of experiments and it's really useful to tell at a glance if some high voltage source is AC or DC. So I have a bunch of 9-volt batteries ganged together here. Not the conventional way to do it, but it works. And this is not exactly high voltage by any means, but I'm getting 86 volts, which is enough to make a neon bulb light up, which is all we want for these purposes. Now these are standard neon bulbs I got on eBay, and they have a resistor already welded on there. Come on, focus. And I just got a little terminal here going to the negative on these batteries, and I've got the positive lead here. Now if you look at that closely, you can see the neon bulb is only lighting up on one terminal. Let me turn that a little bit so it's facing the camera better. Not put my fingers in here. There. So you can see just one terminal on the neon bulb is lighting up. That indicates a DC source. Now, okay, and this little circuit here is basically the equivalent of one of those arc lighters. It's powered off of a lithium-ion battery. When I turn it on, it might arc a little bit, which is fine. But you can see the neon bulb is clearly lighting up equally on both sides. That indicates an AC current. And each half of the DC cycle it's lighting up, only one electrode at a time, and it's flickering back and forth so fast that it seems like they are both lit up. So in a quick nutshell, that's how you can tell a high voltage AC source from a DC source. Oh, and don't forget your resistors on the neon bulbs. Very important, because without it, they can have nasty runaway effects and you can easily blow out the bulb. So have fun experimenting and stay tuned on this channel for more experiments like this. Later.